doing a roof inspection here, and I was asked the question as to what the pitch is on this roof, as to whether or not the rainwater can be affected due to pitch. And I want to go over the difference between isolated pitches and overall pitches. And the difference is this from here to the top is your overall pitch. That doesn't necessarily mean that each individual tile is contributing to that same value. And so if we look over here, the back of the tiles have dropped. We'll get a bit closer and try and get down. You can see it's come away from the ridge cap. But the actual angle of this particular tile is almost flat. Okay, you can see that one's a little bit more, that one's flat because the back of this has dropped. Now that will offer, as a result, two things will happen. One, it's not able to discharge the water in the same way as its intended pitch, but it also opens up the backside of these tiles. So when rainwater lands on here, when you get some wind, it sheets up underneath these tiles and you've got rainwater getting into your property. Right, look at that. Right, it's quite the gap. It happens a lot. It's not always the easiest to see. So you need to get someone up onto a roof who actually sort of knows what they're looking at. But yeah, this one over here, this roof in essence has come away a little bit. The battens have come away. It's dropped, it's sagging a bit. The capping has obviously been damaged as a result. That in its own is not overly awesome. But then, you know, you've got exterior factors like there's a beautiful view, but all this wind that's coming up here is going to be hitting the sides of these tiles. You can probably hear it in camera. It's not even a windy day, and it just sheets underneath these tiles. And the back side of these tiles, sorry, the face of these tiles have been compromised. They're no longer sitting flush, right? Look at that. They're no longer sitting flush because the back has dropped. And so the independent pitch of that tile is not how it was initially designed. And so you get all this opportunity for rainwater ingress. So when we're doing roof inspections, you don't just take a look and look for holes, you look for the performance as well. So